Hello friends, welcome to the flip through of this slimline journal. I'm really excited to share it with you. This is my design team project for Line Dot Arrow, and Natalie created this digital kit that I'm working with. This is a new kit that Natalie has in her shop, and it is called Vintage Slim Journal Collage Pages. I will have it listed in my description box, as well as the Line Dot Arrow YouTube channel and Facebook group in case you were interested in checking that out. There is a discount code for this digital kit. It's 20% off, and you would use the code LDA Design Team 40, and I'll make sure to put that in my description box as well. I will have this beautiful journal listed in my Etsy shop. For the cover of the journal, I used a piece from the kit, and I also added a vintage handkerchief and some lace and some adornment. Inside, I used the kit pieces, scrapbook paper, vintage bank statements, and other elements.
Tell me, babe, where are you going? Prairie wind goes on blowing. Tumbleweed shadow, I'm tied to you.
This piece flips up here, but then also flips open. And the orangish brown piece, that is from an envelope that I received mail in.
Where to get the magic? I just gotta have it. In the light, I had a vision. In the dark, a premonition. You took my dream.
You'll notice that I did put a couple of vintage playing cards in the journal, and they were given to me in Happy Mail.
You got me in a bad spell, spinning and I can't tell where to get the magic. I just gotta have it.
I had mentioned to you guys before that I received vellum, a pack of vellum for Christmas, and I was very excited to print onto vellum. So there are 2 pieces of vellum throughout the journal, and they are kit pages that I printed onto it, and I absolutely love the effect that it has. On the left that I just flipped open, that is a vintage ledger from a checkbook.
Spinning and I can't tell where to get the magic. I just gotta have it. Pick me up, put me down. Why you keeping me around? You're my illusion that I'm running to. Tell me, babe, what are we gonna do? 'Cause you got me in a bad spell, spinning and I can't tell where.
I did put some handmade ruffle onto the edges of the journal. That was given to me by my friend Paper Kitty 99. I also added to the ruffle a couple of charms, and I used a ball pin to add them.
Have it.
The center signature is a piece of vellum that I printed the kit on, and I actually did 2 3-hole pamphlet stitches for this journal since it's so tall. And here are the center beads. Just so that you know, this journal is 11 inches tall.
I'm indecisive, I'm hard to read. I'm like a fake, so I wanna lead. Got a few tricks up my sleeve. Oh, you're decisive, know what you want. We both know my heart can't be bought. Maybe we're in it for the hunt. Oh, I see that you see me, that you need me. Not to waste your time. I see that you see through your impatience.
Here's another bead that I attached to the ruffle, and it is a blue and white glass bead.
I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush. Like this game is so bittersweet. I feel alive, it's so hard to breathe. Will it be over if you got what you need? Sing now, ooh la 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 la. Sing na, ooh la 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 la. You do you, and I'll do me. Oh, you do me, and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I see that you see me, that you need me, not to waste your time. I see that you see through, you're impatient, like the stars align. The way you've been staring at me wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush. Sing now, ooh la 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 la. Sing na, ooh la 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 la. You do you, and I'll do me. Oh, you do me, and I'll do you. Now, ooh la 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 la. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush.
I appreciate you guys checking out the flip through with me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
This is such a rush.